Hello there, this is Miss Klemme with the another literacy skills strategy, and today this one's going to focus on a during reading strategy called summarizing the main ideas. You can probably guess what we're going to do, but I'm going to kind of model and give you some tips on how exactly to summarize the main idea and to fully utilize that strategy. So as you can see here, I've got my e-text. I'm just going to make it full screen, and we're going to go to the first section, which is on page 6. Make it a little bit bigger, a little bit too big there. And I'm going to get my pen. Okay, so when we summarize the main ideas, this is a during reading activity. So you simply will read the text just as you normally would. Now this is done after you've done some sort of pre-reading, such as previewing and predicting. So you kind of get an idea for the purpose and the overall goal, but now you're going to actually read it and look at those main ideas. However, it's really critical, especially in this text, to not only read those little blurbs at the top, but to read each little box, each little number, and read the corresponding figures that go with them, etc. Because this text is not a traditional text with lots and lots of reading. It's more so chunked into different visual sections or subheadings, if you will. So as you go through the text and you read, and you're going to read 1, 2, what you want to do is open up the Google Doc called Summarizing Main Ideas, and it's for the actual lesson that we just had our e-text open to, 1, 2, and 1, 3. And as you're reading, you're going to fill out box 1. Preferably 1, 2, 3, 4, probably about 5 bullet points. You can do maybe one less, maybe one more, but keep it right around 5. And that'll be just for section 1.2. Then you'll go ahead and read section 1.3, and you'll fill in box 3 with those main ideas. But the really important part comes in for box 2 and box 4. You're going to synthesize a couple main ideas from those that you bullet listed here. So let me actually show you kind of what that would look like, or what I'm looking for inside of boxes 2 and 4. Just have this load here. Okay, so what am I looking for in this? I'm looking for some of those main ideas. So you can start off with one of your sentences. The main idea of this section is, this paragraph is about, or what you could do, you could say, this figure or this visual is about. Chapter 1, section 1. Section 2 discusses this. In the chapter 1.3, we learned that the section titled Anatomy is the Study of Form is about this, etc. So I'm really looking for these sentence starters when I'm looking for the main ideas. Okay, that's the strategy, a during reading strategy called summarizing the main ideas, and I hope you found that helpful.